Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. Aries, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Knight of Wands in reverse. This is your current energy, Aries. Okay. Aries, I feel that you are being somebody, or perhaps you are going through such emotions in your life that okay, I cannot do anything, or are you not feeling good enough, or are you not feeling confident enough to do certain things in your life? Okay, because you have this horse with you, you have this wand in your hand, but the thing is that you are being very lethargic, you are being very lazy. What's this? Aren't you feeling well? Aren't you doing well in life? Aren't you feeling good enough in life? You were somebody who was very energetic in past. You were somebody who was, completely always ready to take any action towards anything. But now I feel that you are losing your power, or perhaps you are going through some kind of a tough time, or some emotional problem. On the other hand, for some of you, Aries, I feel that you are being somebody who is taking action. Okay, you are not being somebody who is just thinking about it, whether I should take action or not, or what should I do or what should I not do. You are not thinking about anything. You are just doing what you feel is good for you. Okay, so these two scenarios has popped out in my mind. Either you are being very lethargic, either you are being completely you're just ignoring your actions, you're just ignoring your responsibilities, or you are being somebody who is working non-stop 24/7. You are not thinking about anything. You just think that, okay, I have to do this work now, I have to finish this work now, I have to finish this work. Okay, either you are completely over occupied, or you are completely free. Okay, now let's discuss about your partner's current energies. We have got two cards here. Okay, 10 of Swords and 2 of Cups. Okay, Aries, I feel that your person has been through a lot in last few days. Okay, this person has transformed themselves. Okay, or it could also happen that somebody has just killed their soul. Just somebody has ditched them. Somebody has killed their emotions. Somebody has killed their innocence. Something has happened in their life. Okay, that thing has has brought some changes into their life. So they are being somebody who is going through some kind of a transformation, or I would say that their transformation journey has been done. Okay, they are completely a new person, and since they have transformed themselves, now this is the time for them to meet the other people. They are being they are socializing with people. Okay, they are talking with other people, they are meeting with other people. Okay, they must be talking with some people with regards to their job or their career or their finances. It could also happen that this person is involved with somebody else, with some love or relationship angle. Okay, I'm seeing that somebody has entered in their life. Okay, and they are offering them some emotions, some relationship, some commitments, which eventually they are also not denying. Okay, seems like they are willing to accept their proposal, seems like they are willing to accept their offer. Okay, So their transformation journey has been over, and now they are seeing some new phases in life. Okay, now let's see what you see, how you see them, and what you feel about them, and how they see you, and what they feel about you. Seven of Swords, and how they, I'm really sorry. You think about them and you see them as somebody who is escaping. Seems like you are seeing them that they are leaving this relationship, they are moving out from this relationship, and also you have that sense that they are, you know, they are really happy. They want to leave you, they want to move on from this relationship, they want to move out from this relationship, they just want to create a big distance between you and them. Okay, and you are also seeing this person, that this person, I mean your partner Aries, is, you know, being somebody who don't want to left anything with you in terms of good memories, bad memories. I feel that they are just taking up the good memories with them. Okay, the time which you had spent with together. Okay, and the time which you actually adored each other, so they are just taking their good memories with themselves. And seems like they are they are so super happy. They are like thrilled to leave you, and you know that, you are seeing them from a distance. On the other hand, your person thinks about you and sees you as somebody who has given up on situation, who is not a warrior, who is not a savior, who is not a protector. Okay, these are your enemies, and your person feels, Aries, that you have no guts to stand by or on your feet. You have no guts to, you know, take decision on your own. Okay, and seems like they feel that the moment when the time when it's you know, you should take some solid decision, you just ignore that, you just give up on situation. Okay, so they see you as somebody who has lost hope in life, who has nothing to do in life anymore, who has given up in front of their situations, in front of people, and you are not ready to fight back. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Seven of Pentacles. What action you guys are taking towards each other? Seven of Pentacles. Aries people, you are not doing anything, and similarly your partner is also not doing anything. You are, you know, you are into your own energy. You are just, you know, looking, you are just thinking about, I don't know what, what is going on in your mind. You are just seeing something, and you are just, you are silent. You are not doing anything, you are not taking any actions. You are just standing still and just seeing what's happening in my life, how my life is going, how people are treating me, how people have uh, you know, betrayed me, how people have used me. You are just standing still, and everything is moving, you know, very fast around you. People are changing like anything, people are using you, people are manipulating you, and you are doing nothing. You are just standing still. Hey, I'm here, you know, I, you know, I'm available, you can, you know, take me for granted. Seems like you have given up on life. I don't know, but whatever the case it is, you are not taking any action towards this relationship, towards this person. On the other hand, we have the moon card. Your person is also not very much interested in you, Aries. Your person is hiding things from you with this moon card. Perhaps they have got a new offer, they are not disclosing in front of you. Okay, something new is happening in their life, but they are not disclosing it in front of you, because they feel that you are into your own energy. You don't want to, take any stand in your life. You are, for them you are like loser. They consider you as a loser. Okay, so they feel that it's okay, why should I waste my time on this person? I should, move ahead in life. Perhaps somebody can come and offer me something, and that new offer has arrived in their life, and now they have, accepted their proposal. This is the reason they are hiding it from you. They are not telling you. Okay, this is the reason they are not taking any action towards you. Alright, let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. We have 5 of Pentacles in reverse. It means even though your person, they might be, talking to you, but they are not disclosing their true intentions in front of you. But somewhere you feel, abandoned by this person. There is a sense of void within you. There is a sense of betrayal within you. Okay, you feel, even though they have not confronted in front of you that, hey, I have got a new offer in life, okay, and I have accepted their proposal, they are just making fool of you. Okay, they are just pretending that, okay, I'm with you, but they are not. They are cheating on you. Okay, that's why you feel, what is it? Is it yes? Is it no? What is it? You are not able to comprehend what this relationship is all about. Alright. On the other hand, Aries, your person feels Page of Swords in this relationship. Okay, they are very energetic, very sharp. Okay, they have this sword ready in their hand. Okay, the moment you try to, go out close to them, or you try to communicate with them, they immediately, cut the connection. They immediately ignore you. They immediately, throw you out from their life. The moment you start communicating, the moment you start confronting your things or feelings, they just disconnect the call or disconnect the conversation. Okay, because they don't want to listen anything from you. They don't want any kind of excuses from you. They don't want to listen any story from you. Okay, seems like they are done. Seems like they are done, Aries. This is the mutual energy. King of Cups. I won't call it mutual energy, but I feel that it's you, Aries. It's you. Okay, because he is the king, you are the king, but you are not taking any actions. You are not taking any actions. Your person has declared you as a loser. Okay, even though you have emotions, even though you have true feelings for them, but at the end of the day they feel that, okay, this person is such a loser, I don't want to be with this person, or this and that and blah blah blah. See, you have emotions for them, but the thing is that you are very much conflicted situation. Can you see this person? He is the king, and his throne is covered by water. Okay, there is water all around him. Okay, so this person is kind of stuck here. Okay, he can't move here, he can't move there, he is like completely stuck. Okay, they have emotion, they have genuine feelings, but nobody is here to listen to this person. You are completely alone. Your person is not around you to listen your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions. Okay. Now let's see what future is holding for both of you. What is the future potential for Aries? What is the future potential for Aries? Aries, I feel that it's you. Another Aries card. This is the Aries card. It's you. You are emperor, and you have to act like an emperor. You have to. Okay, you are not somebody who can take anybody's nonsense, right? And I'm seeing that in a due course of time you are definitely going to get back your powers, because you are an emperor, you are king of cups, you are king, you are emperor, and you will come back as a very, very solid person, very healed, very calm, very composed. You'll act like an emperor. Okay. Let's see what angels are advising you to do in this situation. Angel messages for Aries, please. Angel messages for Aries, please. The situation will improve. See, angels are also telling you in future you are definitely going to bounce back. You're definitely going to bounce back, and angels are supporting you. They are also saying that the situation will improve. You need to trust the timing, you need to trust the process. Alright, so Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Knight of Wands in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with Aries with this Emperor card, and Pisces with this Moon card. We have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So with this King of Cups, Two of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with the air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Seven of Swords and Ten of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords. And some of you could be dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with the Seven of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles in reverse. Alright, so Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.